Welcome to my channel. We'll complete 12th organic chemistry. Theory will be discussed in detail within 1 hour. We'll have almost 10 videos, each of 5 minutes, 50 minutes per chapter. So our first chapter is alkyl halide. First we'll talk about preparation of alkyl halide. The reaction of Br2 in the presence of sunlight in RH with Br2H will get alkyl bromide. The mechanism is a free radical mechanism where this bond break into two part forming a radical, and here also the bond break into two part forming a Br radical, and we'll get alkyl bromide. Our second part of this reaction is a reaction with an alkene with Br2 in the presence of sunlight. Here the mechanism follows the same, and the CH2 hydrogen bond break into two part forming a free radical, and the Br2 into similar two part forming a Br radical. These two combines and form CH2 Br CH double bond CH2. Second reaction is reaction of hydrogen bromide reaction with alkene. Here the Markovnikov of addition occur forming the most stable carbocation. The mechanism is CH2 CH double bond CH2. This bond goes up and attacks the H plus, which comes from HBr, and CH2 and forming a CH2 CH plus and CH3. Later the Br negative attack the stable carbocation forming a CH2 CH Br bond CH3. Okay, and the second part of the reaction is a reaction of hydrogen bromide in the presence of H2O2. Here the anti-Markovnikov addition occurs. The least stable carbocation form in the intermediate of the reaction, forming a CH3 CH2 bond CH2 Br2 CCl4. The Br2 CCl4 follows this mechanism. The Br plus attacks here in this way. It's intermediate, and the breaking of the bond forming Br negative, which attack this CH2, which is lower bulky group, forming a gem dihalide. It's a anti-addition. Both the bromine are opposite to each other. NBS. It follows the free radical mechanism where bromine joins at the allylic position. Structure C double bond O CH2 CH2 C double bond O nitrogen bond Br. The bond break into two part forming a Br radical. This mechanism is similar to reaction of Br2H nu. In this case, CH2 bond CH double bond CH2. Here the hydrogen bond break into two part forming a radical, and from here the Br radical both joins and form a alkyl bromide. So our fifth reaction is reaction of HOCl. The HOCl, the form of OH minus and Cl plus, and here the CH2 bond CH double bond CH2 this block break into two parts forming a CH negative and CH plus. The negative attacks the chlorine and the positive part attack the OH. It's anti-addition forming CH3 CHOH bond CH2. These are opposite in the plane. Thanks.